to surplus. We've got 9/11 during the W administration. We've got the widely considered to be somewhat illegitimate.
Hey guys, so I am currently home, as you can see by my background. I'm home right now and I've been home since 4:15-ish. It is currently around 7:30-ish. And so far all I've done is watch two shows. One of them was The Mick and one of them was Shadowhunters. Both really, really good shows. You guys should check them out if you aren't currently watching them because they're so awesome. So right now I'm just going to shower. Then I'm going to do my homework in bed and just get some work done and stuff like that. I have actually quite a lot to do, so it wasn't a good idea to watch 2 episodes. But I did, and oh well, I've already wasted that time. So yeah, I have a few things to do tonight, and I'm just gonna film basically the rest of my night and show you guys what I do. Now I am planning my week and month and everything else, and that's my dog right next to me, in case you're wondering what that is. She's being very needy right now, but I'm just planning it out right now. I took off all the calendars, so this is just my plain calendar, but that is what I'm doing right now. I am just editing it. The reason I don't want to show them is that a lot of them have the addresses, and I just didn't want the addresses to be there. I know it doesn't really show up, but you know, just in case, I took them off. Yeah, so this is the calendar, and these are all my little like categories, or my little tiny calendars, I guess. And that's how I separate them. That's how they're color coded. Some of them are pretty similar, but you know, there's only so many colors. But yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly plan, and then I'm gonna start my homework, and hopefully I'll be done by 11. Hey guys, so I just started doing my math studying for my quiz tomorrow. I'll probably be doing this till, it's 9:45 right now, so probably till 11:30, and then I'm going to sleep. And yeah, I've already started editing the vlog clips from today, so this vlog is definitely going up tonight. And then I just have a little bit more work to do, but nothing really interesting. So in order for me to get the vlog up tonight, I'm just gonna say goodnight now, and I will see you guys Friday. Bye.